Let's do the things that I have been putting off. Hold on, gotta go get my vacuum. I usually vacuum every day, even when I am like sad or having a bad day or whatever, like kids, it doesn't matter if you're happy or sad or whatever, your kids are running through your house every single day. And living where we live, like, and anyone, anywhere, even if I had grass everywhere, but more so that I don't have grass everywhere. On the main floor, when you walk, you get little things on your feet, and so I like to vacuum every day. Keeps the dust down, makes me feel like the house is clean. And I don't like to deep clean, so I just maintain daily, little by little. I haven't vacuumed in for sure over a week. So I think that just tells you where I'm at. So let's vacuum up the box elder bugs. There's about 100. Usually the box elder bugs stop in the fall. They haven't stopped. Is how long my phone has been filming. I certainly haven't been cleaning for 6 minutes. My point is, I didn't want to get out of bed today. I don't have anything on my docket. Well, I do have to edit a video. My point is, hop out of bed, set a timer for 10 minutes, clean something up because you will feel better. I mean, I actually don't feel better. Your space around you will just feel better. And now I'm realizing, okay, yeah, we're gonna do the stairs too. Like dirty, I just have to put a few things away. But I tell you, the spot on this couch is calling my name. So I posted a video of me doing my like makeup closet, my PR closet, and I just assumed that people were gonna hate it. And I say this all the time, everyone is so unpredictable. I just assumed people would literally hate that video. And the thing is they don't. People loved that video. And one of the comments that someone said in the video said, like, you really gave me motivation to do XYZ because of this video. And then she referenced like, and the other day you gave me motivation when you did XYZ for me to be able to do XYZ. And I'll tell you, that comment alone made me feel like, okay, I can get up, I can clean things up, like I can pick up. This is a straight up rock that I just found on the rug. I'm gonna leave my computer over here. What I like to do is leave it here because it's kind of out of the way. And then I usually sit right here and just like pull it over the edge. Oh, the cat just scared me. Hey, you get back here. What are you, camera shy? Come here, where are you? The kids have been letting him, they've been bringing him in and holding him. And so now the cats are like, yeah, we really like it in there. I need to take these up to my room. Here's what I did. I need a pair of Levi shorts that I don't loathe, okay? So I took a pair of pants that I don't loathe, and I ordered the exact same pair, and I'm gonna cut these into shorts to the exact length that I would like them, because I have a really hard time. I don't like the long shorts. I'm not gonna wear the short shorts. So I need something just like the perfect length. So I bought these pants again. I have these in pant form. Well, in this exact form. And I'm gonna make them into shorts. What if I ruin them? It's a risk I'm willing to take, I guess. I'm gonna try really, really hard not to ruin them. I'm gonna cut them long first, in preparation for Florida, if you didn't realize. Anyway, these are such a good pair of jeans. No, they don't have like a lot of stretch to them. I wish Levi brand would just put some stretch in their jeans. Come on, just put some stretch in your jeans, or at least like make an option that is way more stretchy. This has low stretch. I physically cannot do the no stretch. Anyway, these are really good jeans. I'll link them if you need like a classic straight-legged cropped. You don't have to buy them cropped, but I just love a good crop. Reminds me of Princess Diana. All right, so I'm gonna take this up to my room. Moving on, let's move through the house. I'm random. This is Boston's belt I need to take downstairs. And then I have these bottles. Boston brought these home from the hotel the other day. When I was cleaning out my linen closet upstairs, my PR closet, I found these and I was like, well, I can't throw them away. Boston was like really proud to bring these home. Anyway, so I need to go take these downstairs and so Boston can use them in his shower. Kind of makes me batty when all the chairs aren't like lined up. So we'll just quickly line them up. Not a big change. Before I vacuum, I'll make sure to wipe off the table. Do you know what is so weird? Is this table gets so dusty. It gets so dang dusty, it's crazy. And the kids actually use this table quite a bit. Okay, now I can vacuum. Of course, I always have jewelry laying around the house, so I'll go put that in my room. Is this the same washcloth that I washed my table with that now I'm gonna wipe my griddle with? Yes. Do I think that's like gross? I'm gonna say no, but do I sit here and think, oh, I should like get a new washcloth so people don't think it's like weird that I'm, you know, it's like that's the kind of stuff that my brain is really tired of thinking about. Like I am really tired of trying to like guess what people are gonna think, and it has changed how I film, and I hate how I film because I'm like, well, what are people gonna say? What are people? And the thing that's so stupid about that is half people will be like, yeah, that's cool, and the other half are gonna be like, that's disgusting. So no matter what I do, it just doesn't really matter. And it's just a game in my brain that I think I don't like to play anymore. So anyway, I'm using the same washcloth and I hope that's okay with everybody. Because if it's not, that's fine. But if I'm gonna give the advice to my kids that it doesn't matter what other people think, you need to do things to make yourself happy, then I have to take that same advice for myself. This is so dirty because this is so fun. Olivia has done this several times. She brings this griddle to school. I don't know if they do it before school or if they do it for lunch, especially this winter because we've had no snow and it's hardly been that cold. She'll bring the griddle to school and then for lunch or whatever, they'll do pancakes or in this case, they did French toast. And what I love the very most is that Olivia and Cody share friends. They have similar friends. And so they hang out together at lunch. I think it's just the sweetest thing. And so I think Cody was with them when they did this. I haven't really talked to him about it yet, but usually he is. Where this thing is, it was used. I wonder if did they take eggs to school? They had to have. Yeah, this is her container that she brought home. That's so funny. Put that away. My pantry is stressing me out a little bit because I have all these crackers and stuff left over from Christmas. We never eat crackers. I have all these crackers that I'm like, I don't want these to go to waste, but nobody's eating them. Woo! And I've just ignored everything for so long. There's just like stuff all over the counter. Okay, let me go rinse this out. I'm not even gonna do the whole countertop. I'm just going to like kind of get in here to the edge and I'll vacuum in a minute. I'll just let it all fall to the ground. Listen, I can clean how I want to in my own home. Sometimes I just want to get the job done. I don't need it to be perfect. I mean, that's a pretty dirty countertop. But now for the fun part, I love putting my farm fresh eggs right here. I had a friend text me the other day who I usually get my eggs from. And she's like, hey, you want to go to lunch? And I just didn't have it in me to text her back and be like, no, I don't want to go to lunch because I'd rather just stay at home in my bed. So I just didn't respond to her. And she knocked on my door the other night and said, why didn't you text me back? Which I think that shows that that's a real friend right there. And she's like, well, I brought you some eggs. And I just said, I just felt too overwhelmed and I didn't know how to text you back and say, no, I don't want to go to lunch. And because sometimes that's really hard to say and sometimes people don't understand. But then when you see them in person and they can't even talk without crying, you're like, oh, you don't want to go get lunch. That's okay. That's fine. Anyway, she brought me these eggs and I'm in love with them. I love them so dang much. I don't even like to use them because I like to just look at them on my countertop. And then I save this and I give it back to her. That brings me joy. I like that a lot. And I decided I'm going to show you my linen closet or my mudroom closet. This is where I keep all my eggs. Well, my egg cartons. I've got a plethora of them. I need to bring them back to her. Some of those are for Bo, and Emily. Some of those are for her. I hardly did anything in here other than just wipe off the countertops. Just in this small area right here. That's still a disaster. That's like not even a disaster, but like I could wipe it up. It's kind of crummy and dusty back there. I don't care. I don't care. That part looks very presentable. Kitchen is really in good shape. I just had to wipe off the counters. I'm not even going to do the dishes. I'm going to save these for when we do dinner dishes. Tonight for dinner, we're going to do leftovers. The other day I made the Mississippi pot roast. I have the recipe that I'll put in the description for you. And we're having them sandwich-wise. Like I made the roast and then we're eating them with like a hoagie roll. But I need to be thinking about what I'm going to do for dinner tomorrow night. So if you could just do me a favor, I don't care what you had for dinner last night, put it in the comments. That way, all of us, because every single one of us has to eat tonight. We have to eat tomorrow. So let's hope, did I just put my pinky in? I think I just like... Wow. Do me a favor and put in the comments what you had for dinner last night so that we can all get some ideas on what to do for dinner, because I don't know and I'm kind of sick of all the things that I usually make. The laundry room is actually in really good shape. I do have laundry to do, but okay, fine, I'll do a load of laundry. I already know what story I'm going to tell you while I put the laundry in. So when I'm telling you the story, just picture this scene right here. The other day, Lincoln had his friend over and Grandpa Hoellein had dropped off a whole bunch of rockets for the kids to play with. And so Lincoln saved 2 of the rockets and you like put the rockets together and then you can go outside and launch the rockets. So this is, yeah. Oh, you know, I'm going to spray and wash this. Oh, I should have sprayed this when it happened, dang it. This is actually a blanket that Grandma Hoellein made for us. So they put this blanket out because you have to use super glue and stuff, but they wanted to watch a show while they did it, and the kids were all gone skiing, and so Lincoln was just home by himself, and I was more than happy to lay a blanket out, let him get the super glue out, watch a show. Well, Lincoln and them made sorbet because they saw a tutorial on how to do it. So they were making sorbet and they did spill, which is the reason we put the blanket out. So anyway, it was so cute. They were like sitting in the window with the best view in the entire city, eating their sorbet, putting together a rocket. It was the cutest thing. And I remember I was like, I should get up, go get my phone and film them because they looked so cute. But I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna watch them. I'm just gonna let them do their thing. This is new laundry detergent. I know I've shown you new laundry detergent. I think this one might be cheaper than the last one. And it's kind of like a natural brand. This has like orange and peppermint, which I would never have imagined using peppermint. Anyway, I've been trying it. The smell doesn't linger as much as the other stuff, so they're both good. I'm gonna use 3. 2 is for a regular load. I've never been into like laundry scents or whatever until I started using one, and then I'm like, wow. This is very, very nice. Gosh, that smells so good. I actually feel super accomplished getting those little tasks done. So thanks for being my motivation to get those things done. I have a few hours before the kids get home, so I'm going to quickly edit, and then I'm just going to sit on the couch until they get home. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. I love you. Bye-bye. I don't like how I said bye-bye. I usually just say, okay, love you, bye. Well, now I'm feeling awkward.